Hi guys, welcome back to the digital forensic training session, and today we'll be talking about how you can plan for the investigation. It is very necessary that after knowing the steps for the investigation, you plan for the investigation properly. So first of all, I have divided the investigation in two steps. Preparing for the investigation. First, when you are visiting any location, do not turn off any computer or run any programs or access the data. This is after when you have obtained the search warrant and then you have visited the location. Then you have to secure all the relevant media drive, laptop, phones, digital devices, and you should not allow any person to enter the premises after you have reached that place. If they have accessed the computer before you have reached that place, then you should ask them to tell you that who has used that computer, why that computer was used, or why that device was used, why this evidence was shifted, and who was accessing that system. So basically you have to document everything. You have to stop document shredding, you have to stop recycling, you have to stop any garbage that is going out of that room, so that you can collect the evidences and you can collect anything that can be gained during that investigation. So first step will be that you have to don't have to do anything when reaching the investigation phase. After you have secured the premises, now the second step for the investigation starts. You have to obtain the list of people who have accessed that computer device or anyone who has touched that thing before, and before the forensic expert, because you will be visiting that location before the visiting that location as a forensic expert. So you have to know that who has accessed that room or anything. So you have to list all the users who have accessed the system along with the file and the changes, their timestamps, what they were doing on that system, their time period and everything, and investigate why they were using that device, that system, and maintain history of custody for everything that was accessed. So you have to maintain all the things one by one, that this device was accessed by this person and this person, this was the reason, so that when you take that information to your lab, you have a proper thing to investigate, and you can find out that why it was possessed and why it was used for a certain thing. And you have to also create a list of keywords or multiple keywords for searching of the data. While you are searching manually for the data, you need to save the time. So you have to search for certain things, like when you are visiting a location and it was a network hacking, so you have to search for the data like network hacking. You have to search for the files those were studied for the hacking, or if the user were very expert, then you will not find anything until you take that system back to your lab, or you use the software to access the temporary file or deleted file or shredded file. So anything can happen at that time, but your steps should be that you should be calm and you should be confident enough to do all the work and to conduct all the things. So this video was up to here. After you have prepared for the investigation, you can further conduct the different steps of the investigation methodology. So this was just a review of why how you can prepare for the investigation. Thank you for listening, and share this video for all the users.